Hello and welcome to your weekly Warriors Sports Report. I'm Luke Brenneman, and we can start off with the basketball team. Starting with the Lady Warriors, they got a big road win over Norwood on Monday night, defeating them by a score of 37-30. The girls are now 4-2 on the season. Swinging it over to the boys, they have been on a hot streak, winning 4 straight games. The boys took down Wyoming on Tuesday night, winning the game by 13. This was the first time the boys have defeated the Cowboys since 2013. They now improved to a very solid 8-3 record on the season. Crossing over into the NFL, the Cincinnati Bengals hosted the red-hot Kansas City Chiefs, led by former league MVP Patrick Mahomes. Bengals pulled off the upset Sunday, beating the Chiefs 34-31. They were led by rookie sensation Jamar Chase, who broke the all-time rookie receiving yards record, posting 266 yards and 3 touchdowns in the division-clinching win. The Bengals now go to Cleveland to face the Browns in the final week of the regular season. Finally, next week, the College Football National Championship is in Indianapolis. On Monday, the title is up for grabs between Alabama and Georgia. These two SEC powerhouses met a month ago in Atlanta for the SEC Championship game. It's safe to say we're in for an exciting one on Monday night. That's your weekly sports report from the Warriors Broadcast Network. Now I swing it over to Jackson Hampton for the weekend weather report.
Thanks for that sports report, Luke. And with that, let's get into the weekend weather. Saturday's looking like a pretty decent day. Other than a few clouds here and there, expect it to be mainly sunny, with a high of 44 definitely warm enough to get out of the house and get some fresh air. And speaking of air, going to have some 10 to 15 mile an hour winds coming from the southeast. As for later on in the day, there's a pretty good chance of rain, with the temperatures dropping down into the high 30s. So if you're planning a night out, a raincoat and an umbrella are definitely a must. Sunday's not looking near as nice as Saturday was. Expect some steady light rain in the morning to continue all through the day. All hope isn't lost, though, as there's a chance of some snow in with that rain. Definitely going to be a gloomy one with clouds and rain all day long. Although there's a high 46, be prepared because that's going to be dropping all day long and getting down into the teens come sundown. Now for all you skiers and snowboarders out here, here's the perfect North Snow report. During this whole week, temperatures have been above freezing, causing some very wet and heavy snow. The base is very icy, and with all the snow melt, the ice is rising closer to the surface. With the temperatures coming back down this weekend, we can hope for some blowing to get back and some lovely artificial powder. Crowds on Saturday will probably be big, seeing that it's going to be a pretty nice day. As for Sunday, rain all day long, so the slopes are sure to be empty. Regardless of the conditions, hope everyone out there shreds some pow. Thank you all for tuning in. I'm Jackson Hampton, signing out of this week's Weekend Weather Report.